Before seeing interesting, let us see a very famous